It's peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time.
I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain, make me feel so great, make me feel so great, yeah. I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain, put them diamonds in my chain, won't take the pain away. I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain, make me feel so great, make me feel so great, yeah. At the bottom of the barrel, the apparel seems different. Clouded visions, I find myself blinded by the prism of the world's light. But I can see past the blight, these are blemishes and small.
And as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, this bacon is coming out amazing. Yes, indeed. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I just want to give a big shout out. To everyone that's been supporting my channel, supporting me as well. Big shout out to all the fellow YouTubers that follow me and support me as well. I appreciate you all.
Feel so great, make me feel so great, yeah. I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain, put them diamonds in my chain, won't take the pain away. It's not my ego to help me move the needle. I'm on top now, bitch, I'm like the steeple. Church, please come pray for him, cause I ain't got shit here to say to him. Scientifically, only my DNA can make something sound so gifted, see?
This right here, ladies and gentlemen, is called the PB&J with bacon. You can also skip the bacon if you want to do just a regular PB&J, but if you want to spice it up, throw that bacon up in there, and trust me, you'll love it. The taste will be amazing. Well, if you like what I'm doing here on the Kool Zone, and you love my creativity, and you love the fact that I can open your minds to different ways of how to enjoy your waffle, please do push that button, subscribe to the Kool Zone, leave a comment, let me know what you think. There will be plenty more to come. Thank you so much for watching. Kool Zone.
I just wanna be a superstar. I wanna be a superstar. I just wanna be a superstar. I wanna be a superstar. I just wanna